That's what we don't want to do.
Good afternoon. Today is our day that we do the clutch giveaway for the 1,000 subscriber sub. So what we've got here today is our Team MSC trail clutch, which comes with 2 helix. Now these were installed in my unit. I took them out after about 40 miles. So it comes with two helix. You know, you can see they're slightly used. There's nothing wrong with them. It comes with a spacer, and it comes with the primary spring. So let me get the generator going, and we'll be right back to start the roll off. Okay guys, let's start this generator rolling. Fantex M1, that's the winner. See the guy's name? I don't know who he is. But anyway, here's what you got to do. You got 2 days to reach out to me at my email. I'll post it below. And you got to give me your name and address and where I can ship it to. And it'll be free shipping because it's going to be cheap anyway. And let's get this thing out to you. And whoever you are, reach out to me on Facebook as well. You got my Facebook page. And let's talk about how you're installing it and what you're doing with it. And let's take it from there, guys. Congratulations to FantXM, whatever your name is. I guess I spelled it right and said it right. But anyway, like I said, you got 48 hours, 2 days to reach out to me on my email with your name and your address and where I ship it to. All right, guys, that's it. Sorry for those who didn't win, but there can only be one. So peace out, God bless, and see you in the next one.